So, I was doing some math here, and I'm not in 6th grade, as you can see. Yeah. And now I'm on to ratios with tape diagrams. And my last video, my mom decided to barge in without knocking to make sure I was recording the video first. And now we're going to pretend like nothing ever happened. So let's keep watching the video that I was watching.
Well, first let's think about the ratio of blue to green squares. So for every 3 blue squares, say a similar color, for every 3 blue squares, we are going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green squares. So the ratio of blue to green is 3 to 5. And so in quilt A, she has 21 blue squares.
Yeah.
She has 21 blue squares. How many green squares would she have? Well, to go from 3 to 21, you have to multiply by 7. And so you would take 5 and then multiply that by 7. So you multiply 5 times 7 to get to 35. As long as you multiply both of these by the same number or divide them by the same number, you're going to get an equivalent ratio.
Okay, so to get 21 blue squares, you have to multiply that by 7. For green squares, you have to get 35.
So 21 to 35 is the same thing as 3 to 5.
And to get, okay, that's 4. So then 3 times 4 is 12.
Now we have a situation called B. They've given us the number of green squares, so that's 20. Well, how do we get 20 from 5? Well, we would multiply by 4. So if you multiply the number of green squares by 4, then you would do the same thing for the number of blue squares.
So to get 12 is 4.
3 times 4 is going to be equal to 12. 12 blue squares for every 20 green squares is the same ratio as 3 blue squares for every 5 green squares. Let's do another example. Here we are told the following diagram describes the number of cups of blue.
Okay, happy. Bedrock. So 3, 3, 3, 10, 6, 10 and 6. What's the ratio? Blue paint to red paint in the mixture. Well, that would be for every 10 blue paint things, there would be 6 red things.
Blue and red paint in a mixture.
10 to 6.
What is the ratio of blue paint to red paint in the mixture? So try to work it out. All right, so let's just see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
10 to 6.
9, 10.
10 to 6.
For every 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6.
So this would be a legitimate ratio, a ratio of 10 cups of blue paint for every 6 cups of red paint. But this isn't in, I guess you could say, lowest terms or most simplified terms, because we can actually divide both of these numbers.
Why are you leaving cookie crumbs everywhere? The world is going to fall apart because you left cookie crumbs. I mean, I love you.
Guys, he was kidding.
Of course.
I'm doing 6th grade math right now, Dad. And I'm on ratios with tape diagrams.
Have fun.
By the way, y'all, I'm in 4th grade.
Numbers by 2. So if you divide 10 by 2, you get 5.
So for every 5 blue squares, there's 3
And if you divide
red
6 by
squares.
2, you get
19.
So one way to think about it is every 5 blue squares, you have 3 red squares in this diagram, in this tape diagram that's sometimes called.
I was
Or
right,
you could say for
guys.
every 5 cups of blue paint, you have 3 cups of red paint in our mixture.
Yeah,
You
bro.
can see that here. So 3 cups of red paint, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 cups of blue paint. And you see that again, right over here. Here's another example. Here we're told Luna and Ginny each cast magic spells. The ratio of spells Luna casts to spells Ginny casts is represented in this tape diagram. Alright. Based on the ratio, what is the number of spells Ginny casts when Luna casts 20 spells? Pause this video and see if you can work it out. Alright, so let's just see the ratio here. For every 1, 2, 3, 4 spells that Luna casts, Ginny casts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spells. So the ratio is 4 to 5. But if Luna casts 20 spells, so if Luna casts 20 spells, well, to go from 4 to 20, we had to multiply by 5. And so we would do the same thing with the number of spells Ginny casts. You'd multiply that by 5, so it's 25. So 4 Luna spells for every 5 Ginny spells is the same thing as 20 Luna spells for every 25 Ginny spells. And so how many spells does Ginny cast when Luna casts 20 spells? She casts 25. And we're done. We're told that Ginny wrote a survey with open-ended and multiple choice.
Quiet.
The diagram shows the ratio of the question types. So what it shows us is that for every 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 open-ended questions, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 multiple choice questions.
Okay.
And let's be clear, this is showing the ratio of open-ended questions to multiple choice questions. It's not telling us exactly how many of each type of question. Yeah, we just know for every 5 open-ended, there are 4 multiple choice, or for every 4 multiple choice, there are 5 open-ended. The table shows some numbers of multiple choice questions and total questions that could be on Penny's survey. Based on the ratio, complete the missing values in the table. So like always, pause this video and see if you can have a go at this on your own before we work through it together. Alright, so some of you might not have realized that it says total questions here. It does not say multiple choice questions and open-ended questions. So one way to tackle this is to think about, well, what is going to be the ratio between multiple choice questions and total questions? So let's think, if we were to create another bar for total questions that showed the ratio, for every 5 open-ended questions, you'll have 4 multiple choice questions, and you would have 9 total questions. So it would look like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I'm just adding these two together. So we could say that the ratio of multiple choice to total questions is going to be 4 to 9. For every 4 multiple choice questions, you're going to have 9 total questions. So in this first row, we have 8 multiple choice questions. So that's 2 sets of 4. So we're going to have 2 sets of 9 total questions. That still is the same ratio. 8 is to 18 as 4 is to 9. And now in the second row, they give us the actual number of total questions. Well, that is 9 goes into 45 5 times. That's 5 sets of 9. So you're going to have 5 sets of 4 multiple choice questions. So 5 times 4 is 20. And we're done.
Well, I didn't catch that.
4 is to 9. At row, we have 8 multiple choice questions. So that's 2 sets of 4. So we're going to have 2 sets of 9 total questions. That still is the same ratio. 8 is to 18 as 4 is to 9. And now in the second row...
Yeah, except 4 to get 9 is 5. I'm pretty sure 8 plus 5
actual number of total questions.
is
Well, that
13,
is
right?
9 goes into 45 5 times. That's 5 sets of 9. So you're going to have 5 sets of 4 multiple choice questions. So 5 times 4 is 20. And we're done.
I don't understand that very much, but okay. Okay. Good. So, 4 to get 16 is 4. So 1, wait, no. So 1 times 4 is 4. And that's, and 4 plus 16 is 20. So it's 35. 1 times 35. So 4 times 35. Oh my god. Wait, no. Where did I get 1 times 4 from? Oh, yeah. Okay, that's 15 more than 4. 15 more than 4 is 19. Yeah, 15 more than 20 is 15. I have so many darn questions about him. Alright. It's 15 more, so this 15 more. 15 more than 4 is 19. Okay. What? Do you want me to pause the video or something? What's going on? I wish I would tell you what's right and what's wrong. Like, did you get one answer right and one answer wrong? Okay. Okay, I'm struggling here. I don't know, dude. I don't understand that last part.
To 18 as 4 is enough.
I'll be right back. Alright, well, all my brain is thinking about this. That's gonna be it for today's video, unfortunately. And, like, no other time. No. Like other YouTubers always say, have a good night, and I'll see you in the next one, bruv. Adios.